What's up, guys? Gavin. It's Gavin here from RGT Moto, back with another video. Today I'm pretty much just riding just anywhere. I did want to review these mirrors that we got from this company called Fenrir, I think it's how you pronounce it. They emailed us and were like, hey, like, you want to try out these products or whatever that we were getting. And at the time I didn't know what they were what they were selling, so we were like, yeah, sure, like what do you want us to review? I gotta admit, the first email that they sent, it was just really sketchy, like lowercase letters, like really improper punctuation. But they sent links and stuff. Obviously I made sure the links were fine, they were good. We ended up getting the product from them, and I think we've had them for a little bit, maybe almost a month, I want to say. We just kind of wanted to wait and see like how the product would hold up and stuff. But yeah, these are mirrors by Fenrir. They're obviously bar end mirrors. Their design for these are absolutely incredible. That's all I gotta say. It's like it screws into the bar end, of course, and then there's a screw that clamps it down like to the actual bar end. Like there's like a bracket inside, and I gotta say it stays, doesn't vibrate at all. Like the glass doesn't really vibrate as much. It's pretty high quality stuff, I gotta say. Of course we got the most expensive ones from them. We might as well like go big or go home. But yeah, man, they're actually really good mirrors. We didn't really know who this company was. But yeah, we were graciously provided 2 pairs of mirrors instead of 1. We were like, yeah, we both ride, like we'd love to have 2 pairs just to have a second opinion about them. We didn't get paid for nothing. We didn't like, they said, you know, if you like the product, they'd give us like a commission code or something if you guys want to go buy some. But you know, they don't really care. It's, you know, I'm happy to review stuff and also, you know, make some money while I'm at it. I mean, if you guys want to get a pair, that would be really cool. But yeah, dude, I really have no negatives about these mirrors at all. They're stable. They don't really vibrate as much as the stock ones, at least in my opinion. It's for $90, but I definitely would pay that amount of money for some good quality mirrors that also look the part as well, you know. Like the mirrors are very they look pretty stylish. You can adjust like however you want. So if you don't want them down, you can put them down. If they have a ball joint, so you can adjust whatever. I mean, there's really no negatives about these at all. There's really nothing else to say. They're good mirrors. The company's really nice, you know, really like just really chill people. So yeah, thanks Leo for messaging us about this. If you end up seeing this, cool. You guys did a great job, so I'll try to go on the highway for you guys, get some sort of like high-speed stabilization. I think I can go on here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that was the entry right there. Cool, man. And yeah, if you guys want to buy these mirrors, like I think we can get a code or something, and that he was saying something about that. I'll talk to him more. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to buy, you know, some mirrors from them, we'll leave some links in the description, like their Amazon links and then like their actual website. Yeah, I mean, they're great mirrors. They did a great job. It seems like a lot of their products they seem pretty good. No complaints. Good product, really good quality. Instructions, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, there's really nothing else to the review. It's just like good product, nice people, and they seem to be holding up pretty well. So really about it for the review. Yeah, if you guys want to buy some, we'll try to leave a link or whatever and get a code and stuff, and we'll hopefully be able to put that in the description. I think they gave us a code. It was just RGT Moto or something, like pretty simple. But yeah, I'll talk to the guy and just get something figured out with that. So yeah, in conclusion, Fenrir, you guys did a great job. According to, I mean, this is the most expensive product, but I don't know how any of the other like lower price ones are, but first impressions are really good. So